Today we're presenting a polished brand new modern home with plenty of parking. I'm Jake Bautista and welcome to a MetroGuide Realty house tour. This is a brand new polished house and lot for sale here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. It has a total floor area of 375 square meters on a 280 square meter lot. And what I like about this house is it has parking for 4 vehicles and potentially even 5 vehicles. You have parking here for 1 large vehicle or even potentially 2 small sedans. And then as we head on inside, you have parking here for 3 more cars. And then the parking for the 2 vehicles here is covered. So if you are looking for a brand new home and you have at least 3 to 4 cars, this is a perfect home for that. Let's head on up towards the main entry. Now the ground level is elevated from the street level, giving you a nice vantage point of the area. In addition, this property is located in a very safe and secure community. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Welcome to your open-planned living and dining space. You have a high ceiling for your living area. And you can see the significant ceiling height even for the other amenity spaces. Check out this view of your staircase. You can have your living room set right here, and you can even open up this sliding door with the screen so you have all that ventilation through your main amenity area. And then on this side, you have a large space for a table for 6, 8, even 10 people for your dining area. And it even opens up towards a tiled multi-purpose patio space. The designers even made sure to have this design in terms of having that bamboo look for the fence here to give you greater privacy. And check this out. This is such a large tiled area. One side can be an amenity space. This can be a barbecue area. You can imagine having some food here. And then this is a nice laundry space. And then on the other side, you have access towards the front of the house. And you also have 2 staff rooms as well. And each staff room has its own bathroom. So 1 staff room is at the side of the house, and then 1 staff room is through the auxiliary space. I just want to quickly show you that you also have access here towards the front of the house. And you have a security gate over there. Okay? And you also have access at this side towards your water tank as well. Welcome to your modern kitchen. What I love about this kitchen is you already have built-in cabinetry. I love the spacing, the peninsula countertop, the area for your refrigerator, the glass shelves with lights, and then the built-in appliances already. You have a Lagerman range hood and a 5-burner cooktop already right here. And then you have a swinging door here for convenience, which is important, especially if you're bringing food. And then you have an additional auxiliary kitchen space here with another cooktop and range hood. You have access here towards your circuit breakers, access towards the side of the house, and you have an additional sink space and your staff room right here. And you also have air conditioning units in the main amenity areas. And before we head on up, let's take a quick look here at the first room in the house. So this is the first bedroom. This can be a home office, playroom. This can also be a guest room, a den room, a movie room. And then you have access here towards a bathroom, which doubles as your powder room. Because when you open up this door, you have access immediately towards your hallway space. And now, so far, this house feels very well designed, feels very open, bright, and I'm so excited to show you the second level. Let's go. Welcome to the second level, where you have a wide hallway which gives you a great view of your living space. And this also gives you a very nice feel as you go in and out of the 4 bedrooms here. Let's begin by taking a look at your master bedroom. Wow, so this is the most spacious room among the 5 rooms in the house. You can have a king-sized bed here. It has cove lighting. You already have an operational CCTV system here, and you can view the view of the 7 cameras from here. You already have air conditioning as well. And on this side, you have your walk-in closet space. And I love how modern it looks in terms of the design with the glass cabinetry. There's even a framing there for the clerestory windows, which gives you additional lighting for this space. But you can even maximize that by putting additional items there to be stored. And then you have open shelves here. You have an area here. You can potentially make this a dresser space if you put a mirror here. And then on this side, you have your master bathroom with a dual vanity sink space. And you have your tempered glass shower enclosure on the other side and your freestanding bathtub. So I love how spacious this entire area feels. Honestly, it doesn't even feel like I'm on a 280 square meter lot house. It feels bigger in terms of the way this room has been spaced. And you also have a balcony space facing the front of the house. Another great aspect of the property is this is facing the morning sun. So we're filming this in the afternoon. The sun is already at the other side of the house. So you have a great morning sun view here from your master bedroom. And now, let's explore the 3rd, 4th, and 5th rooms. Here we are at the 3rd bedroom. Now, it's positioned at the middle of the property, so it's quite cool since you have the morning sun on one side and then the afternoon sun on the other side. So this is one of the cooler rooms in terms of sun exposure. What's nice is you already have built-in cabinetry. I like the design, even the feel of the handles for the cabinetry is very nice. And then this particular room has a shared bathroom with the 4th bedroom. So this is excellent for siblings as well. The room sizes are also quite similar. They're also very well lit. You have this large picture window on one side. You have a nice study desk area here, or you can maximize this as an entertainment console space with the bed on the other side. You also already have your split type air conditioning units built in already. And then I love this storage area. This can make for a great shoe rack space as well. And then to cap off the tour, you have your 5th bedroom here. From this angle, you can appreciate the size of this room. It's a corner room. You can have even a semi-double or even queen-sized bed right here. And you have this area where you have display shelves, and then an area where you can have a work from home desk, and then you can have a computer monitor here, or even a television set. And this room has an ensuite bathroom with a tempered glass shower enclosure and a very modern vibe. And that caps off our tour of this brand new 5-bedroom modern house and lot for sale here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. Thank you for joining us in this tour of this brand new 5-bedroom modern house and lot for sale here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, you can contact us through our details in the description below. You can also send us a message and follow us through Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. And if you have a property you'd like to feature to our channel, you can send us an email at metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.